Celebrate. To do something special because something good happened. We celebrate birthdays with cake and balloons. They celebrated their wedding with a big party. Disappear. To go away so that you cannot see it anymore. My toy disappeared and I can't find it. The magician made the rabbit disappear. Remove. To take something away or off. I removed the sticker from my phone. Please remove your shoes before entering. Complain. To say that you are not happy about something. I complained about the cold food. He always complains when he is tired. Harm. To hurt someone or something. Smoking may harm your health. Some chemicals can harm plants. Listen. To use your ears to hear someone or something. I listen to music every day. We listened to a story in class. Parcel. A box or package sent by mail. She sent a parcel to her friend. He opened the parcel with a smile. Dislike. To not like something or someone. They dislike spicy food. She dislikes waking up early. Protect. To keep someone or something safe from harm. Wear a helmet to protect your head. She used an umbrella to protect herself from the rain. Solve. To find the answer to a problem. I can solve this math problem. He solved the issue with his computer.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!